So here's a quick little video on how I'm trying to repair this hole in the back of this hull on this boat. As you can see, it's all worn out where the prop shaft goes through. So I'm going to try and repair it. Okay, so here's what I got going on. I've got this plastic tube in here, and the black part is the shaft, the seal for the prop shaft itself. And actually that clear tubing is, look at this. Everyone might be familiar with the COVID testing tubes. I was able to trim it so it fits the right diameter for that shaft seal, and it fits in there. I'm going to end up sealing around that, probably with some epoxy or Gorilla Glue or something to seal that in, and see how that holds up. So there it is now with the Gorilla Glue all squirted on around there and down on the inside. So we'll let that harden up and see how it's going to hold up. I got the motor back in, so everything lined up. I wanted to make sure it was nice and straight, lined up with the motor. So we'll give that time to cure and see what happens. So here's just a little recap now of what I did. You can see that repair is, it's been about 24 hours, and this Gorilla Glue I put around there to seal it is all cured up, and it looks like it's pretty solid in there. Looks like it's going to work out pretty well. And down inside, looks pretty good down in there too. So hopefully that'll hold up. We'll see. I'll have to obviously put the rudder and everything back on, put the electronics and the servos back in there, get it all back together and see how it does.